What if I told you that one of the most powerful marketing tools out there costs just a few pennies? Yeah, today we're talking about the humble sticker. It might seem small, but this tiny piece of adhesive can turn your customers into your biggest, most passionate fans. It's proof that you don't always need a big price tag to make a huge impact.
And I think this quote from Chris Bucci, the founder of Heart Sticker, just nails it. Stickers are an art form, not a billboard. We're not talking about a disposable ad you glance at and forget. The real goal here is to create a piece of art that's so cool, so meaningful, that people want to make it part of their identity.
So that's the big question, right? How does something so simple and so small create such a massive ripple effect? Well, it turns out the answer has everything to do with us. It's all about our own psychology.
See, it all comes down to psychology. There are these really deep-seated reasons why we're so drawn to collecting and displaying stickers. And the smartest brands, well, they tap directly into these fundamental human impulses. And trust me, this isn't just some niche hobby. It is big business.
That's right. The market for just die-cut stickers is projected to hit over $191 million by 2030. So we're not just talking about fun little decals here. This is a serious, fast-growing marketing channel. So what exactly is driving this obsession? Well, it really boils down to three things. First up, identity. That sticker on your laptop or water bottle, it's not just decoration. It's a badge. It's a visual shortcut that says, this is who I am, this is what I'm about. Then you've got nostalgia. Remember that feeling of peeling a sticker and finding the perfect spot for it in your sticker book as a kid? That pure joy? That feeling is a powerful mood booster, even for adults. And finally, collectability. We are natural collectors. We love the thrill of the hunt, and chasing down a rare, limited edition sticker taps right into that instinct. And look, this psychology isn't just theory. It has incredible real-world power. Take Reddit. In the early days, they spent their entire marketing budget, all $500 of it, on stickers. And that one move helped fuel a grassroots movement that built them into a cultural giant. Or think about Shepard Fairey's Hope Art for the 2008 Obama campaign. It became this iconic symbol, turning supporters into walking, talking advocates for an entire movement.
Okay, so we've covered the why. We get it. Now let's get a little more practical and break down the what. A sticker might seem super simple, but its real effectiveness comes down to its construction. 3 distinct layers, all working together perfectly. So every single sticker you've ever held is made of these 3 basic parts. You've got the fact stock right on top. That's where your awesome design is printed. Underneath that, you have the adhesive, the sticky stuff, the magic that makes it all work. And finally, you've got the liner, which is just that backing paper you peel off and throw away. It's simple, sure, but the materials you choose for each of these layers, that makes all the difference.
And really, your biggest choice is going to be between vinyl and paper. Vinyl is the tough one, the workhorse. It's waterproof, it's durable, it's perfect for things that live outside, like on cars, or things that get a lot of wear and tear, like laptops and water bottles. Paper, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly. It's awesome for indoor uses, like sealing up product packaging or for temporary labels at an event. You just have to match the material to the mission.
All right, so now we know what a sticker is made of, but let's be real. The big question is, how do you design one that people will actually want to use? This is about more than just slapping your logo on something. It's about creating a little piece of art that has its own value.
And here's another piece of gold from Chris Bucci. More mystery and less history. He actually learned this the hard way. His first batch of stickers, they were just simple rectangles, and they didn't sell at all. It was only when a friend suggested he literally cut out all the extra white vinyl, die-cutting the sticker into the actual shape of Oregon, that they just exploded in popularity. That custom shape, that mystery, it made all the difference.
So the real takeaway is that great design is simple and visual. Keep it clean. Yeah, your branding needs to be clear, but it shouldn't feel like a pushy ad. Use vibrant colors that'll help it pop in a sea of beige laptops. And hey, don't forget, you can add a subtle call to action. A little social media handle tucked in there can turn that sticker into a direct link to your online community.
So, you've got your materials picked out, you've got a killer design ready to go. Now what? Let's talk strategy. Here's a little playbook for getting those stickers out into the world where they can actually start working for your brand.
Okay, the first play in our playbook is all about turning a simple transaction into a memorable moment. Stickers are absolutely perfect for this. They add a personal, tactile touch that, let's face it, a digital ad just can't compete with.
That unboxing experience, that's your first, best chance to make a lasting impression. Tucking in a freebie sticker, it's such a simple, unexpected gift that creates instant goodwill.
Using a custom sticker as a seal of approval on your tissue paper, it makes the whole thing feel more premium and thoughtful. And if you really want to get people hooked, create collectible sets. It gives your customers a fun reason to keep coming back for more. It's all about low-cost, high-impact branding.
All right, next up, events. You know how it is, you're walking around a conference and you end up with a bag full of flimsy flyers and business cards that'll end up in the trash. In that sea of forgettable swag, a really well-designed sticker is something people will actually keep and use. It's like your secret weapon for standing out. At a trade show, a cool sticker is like a magnet for your booth. But don't just stop there. Think about guerrilla marketing, placing stickers in high-traffic, unexpected spots to get people talking. Or even better, partner up with local businesses. Leaving a stack of your stickers on the counter at a coffee shop or a gym? That's a total win-win for visibility.
So, where is all this headed? What's next for the humble sticker? Well, they aren't just static little objects anymore. They're evolving. They're starting to bridge the physical and digital worlds, and they're reflecting the cultural trends that really matter to people right now. One of the absolute biggest game changers is the QR code. Seriously. By adding a simple QR code to your sticker, you create this seamless bridge from a physical object in the real world straight to your digital home. One quick scan can take someone to your website, a special discount, or your latest social media campaign. It's brilliant. And looking ahead, there are a few key trends you should keep an eye on. First, stickers that focus on mental health and wellness are huge. People want to wear their values and share messages of support. Visually, things like holographic finishes and unique original illustrations are getting super popular because they feel authentic and cut through all the digital noise. And maybe most importantly, eco-friendly materials are becoming a must-have for consumers who want to support brands that care about the planet as much as they do.
So we kind of come full circle, back to where we started. A sticker isn't just a sticker. It's a tiny billboard. It's a piece of art, a badge of identity. It is a powerful, portable storytelling tool. Really, it's an invitation for someone to take a little piece of your brand and weave it into their own story. The only question left is, what story will yours tell?